If you want to enable USB debugging on a Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, first we need to go to settings. And in the settings, we're going to scroll down and we need to enable developer options. So I'm going to go to About Phone. In here, in About Phone, we're going to proceed to software information. Keep tapping on the build number. And then once you enter your screen lock password, you will see this message that developer mode has been turned on. We're going to go back to settings. And in here, at the bottom below About Phone, we should be able to find developer options. Now in here, keep scrolling down, and once you find the debugging section, you can probably also find USB debugging. And you might be able to immediately press on this switcher over here to turn it on or turn it off. However, there's also a chance that is going to be blocked by the auto blocker. So if that is the case, we're going to go back to settings again. This time we're going to choose security and privacy. And then in here we have the auto blocker, which we can disable. So we can turn it off in here. There we go. And then if we go back to developer options, as you can see now we can enable USB debugging. So I'm going to tap on this switcher to turn it on and confirm your choice. Leave a like and subscribe.